Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. It's January. I don't know about your house, but my January is never going to be a dry January. It's not even going to be a damp January. We are going to make a cocktail today that is a classic. It dates back to the early 1800s. If you like what you see, leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because today we are making the classic cocktail, the official drink of New Orleans, the Sazerac. So let's get pouring. We're going to start by taking a sugar cube. That's going in the glass. Next, 6 dashes of Peychaud's Bitters. Peychaud was the one who made this drink in the early 1800s, 1830s or so. Next, we're going to put in there 1 dash of Aromatic Bitters. Now, we're going to put in some whiskey. Today we're using Sazerac Rye, and we're going to put in about 1.5 ounces of Sazerac. Next, going to give that a muddle and break it down. And then we are going to put our next liquor in there, and today we're using Cognac, and we're going to use about 1/2 ounce of Cognac, and that's going in there. Last but not least, we are going to take and put an ice cube in there, and we are going to give this a good stir. We're diluting that sugar in there, we're chilling the cocktail. For the last step is, you see a bottle of Absinthe up here. We're going to put it in an atomizer, and we're going to give our chilled glass just a spritz to line the sides of the glass in there. And then we strain, and that with 1 lemon peel, the official drink of New Orleans is the Sazerac. Happy New Year, everyone.